Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Very good morning. Well, right now in Palakkad, from Palakkad to Munnar is approximately 162 kilometers. Well, the route what I have chosen is via Pollachi again. So we would not be doing that Valparai and then coming down there. From there, we wouldn't be doing. In fact, from Pollachi, we would be taking a deviation, a little bit of Anamalai Forest road, and then we would head. Stay tuned, enjoy the ride, travel along with me, and well, from Palakkad to Munnar, it says approximately 4.5 hours. What are we going to do in Munnar today? Nothing much. Halt up there. Tomorrow we will be doing a lot of sightseeing and other things. And from Munnar, what I would be doing is I would be coming down to Pollachi, Coimbatore. From Coimbatore to Satyamangalam Forest via Kollegal. I would head back to Bangalore. Early morning riding inside Palakkad city is really nice because we don't have much of traffic. Much of traffic. Traffic. Well, it's started to become humid. Yes, of course. Yeah, people are not bothered. No helmet, nothing. This is called Nendravalapalam. Nendravalapalam. Wow, really nice. Wow.
Meters at the roundabout, take the second exit onto English Church Road.
On to my right hand side, this is the Palakkad bus stand. Town bus stand. KSRTC transport bus stand. Not the town bus stand.
In 500 meters, turn left onto Palakkad Koduvayur Meenakshipuram Highway.
Well, we have already entered Tamil Nadu. Palakkad to Pollachi. So we have entered Tamil Nadu district right now. I have closely about 17 kilometers from here to Pollachi. And from Pollachi to Munnar is closely about 110 kilometers. 110 to 120 kilometers approximately. Well, ഏനല്ലതോ എന്നാ പറയാനാ, നമുക്ക് വണ്ടി ഓടിക്കാം, ബൈക്ക് ഓടിക്കാം, അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും കറങ്ങാം. Information is the must. I don't know, man, these people are so relaxed, they'll just keep riding on the center of the road. They are not bothered. Need to clean my visor also. It's become a little dirty because in the evenings when you start riding now, the problem is we have these small flies which comes and hits on the visor. So that's actually taken apart for me. I need to get a wet cloth and clean it up properly for the visibility. I have a lot of spotted dots. Well, that was there in the camera also on the Senna. Coming back to my previous rides, got a lot of feedbacks from my subscribers. Well, you're also my subscribers now. That my face was not being seen, and I was muted in some areas where it was just going blank. See, basically, I just want to tell you all one thing is that I am doing a routing where you can get food, nice food, and basically the stay. A rider always works on a budget. And me being in the YouTube for the first time, all these things, it's a learning curve, and I'm ready to learn that also. I would rather say thanks for all the subscribers who have given me this piece of advice. This guy did not honk, but he just they just passed by me. They just passed by me. I think they're doing some Parimikalam or something like that. Or they're going to Pollachi, top slip. I don't know. I have no idea. But they wanted to show that they are also riders. I said, okay, fine, boss. Go ahead. Everyone is a rider. Let's enjoy the ride now. Meenakshipuram, 7.5 kilometers from your right, straight to Pollachi. This is the border between both the states, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So it says District Police Palakkad, emergency call 112 or 100. Gopalampuram. This is Gopalampuram. The board says, welcome to Tamil Nadu. Welcome to Tamil Nadu. RTO checkpost. Where is the checkpost? Have they turned up? No, just at the beginning. Slightly turned up. And after that, the road is okay. The road is like okay. Well, uncle, please come fast. He's got a full basket full of tomatoes, man, that he wants to sell. He's a vendor. Pollachi is famous for rice, coconut, lot of other stuffs.
Recording.
Met with a small accident right now. You could see these two idiots who were there over there. This bike has taken a hit badly.
Recording.
Are we going in a high speed?
Brother, I've been doing from kilometers and the thing is completely getting recorded, okay?
I know you are doing this.
Okay. I'm doing a vlogging, I'm completely recording. You come, you stop, you get confused, you don't give any kind of indications. At least you show your hand or put a slow thing, we could have been avoided.
I understand.
You come and stand on the center of the road, or either you just pass or you just put it, that's it, then that guy would have been avoided. That guy comes, he doesn't see his mirror, he just breaks in. And right behind him, if I would have been not braked, trust me, that guy would have been gone, man, for my vehicle, which is much more heavier than his vehicle. He would have been taken a major hit. He could not control. He had to come and crash and just see my bike, what will happen. He takes a hit here and he takes a hit here. He takes a hit here and he takes a hit here. Brother, Sari guide is not a matter. It's an avoiding of an accident. When you're doing so much of kilometers, trust me, till date, not even one single accident on my bike. I've been driving closely about 60,000 kilometers.
Yeah, bro, even I'm.
So now whatever you want to talk to him, you talk to him. I am not going to do anything because I've got my recording done. I am ready to go to the station. If he wants to file a case, let him go ahead. I've got no problems.
I am go ahead because I don't want to go behind.
YouTube long rider Yasser P&K vlogs. I just saw this person here. Chalo, let's go.
Recording.
Nice coconut plantation, man. Nice coconut plantation. Wow. Superb. This is really awesome. Ta da da da. Wow, yaar. Take a place somewhere here and get settled, man. Uh-oh. There's a checkpost here. I think we might have to take an entry here. Thank you, sir.